This is Eric with Eric's Random Reviews and sorry about that. Eric's Random Projects and Reviews, and this car definitely is a project and a half. Yes, I got her running. It ended up being a fuse. A 15 amp fuse over here. Let's see, which one was that? 20. I think it was the, this one explains it better. Alright. Mass airflow sensor, engine control module, and fuel injectors. There's a 15 amp fuse that caused that. The only thing I can think of is that camshaft seal was leaking and could have shorted out the system. But yeah, I can't believe a little, I don't know how much those fuses cost, a few cents, caused this craziness with this car. So, alright, well, I just wanted to share this information, even though I don't see anyone watching, but I'll upload this and go from there. I got to button everything down. I replaced that reservoir too, so I got to make sure the system burps. Probably have to code the computer again because of the I have the mass airflow sensor disconnected. But yeah, she lives all over her 50-cent fuse. So, alright, just wanted to share this. So, if anyone out there has a similar problem, check your fuses first. I thought I checked them, but I must have overlooked. That's why I'm glad I still have the owner's manual for this thing. So, yeah, and, if your camshaft is leaking, then, yeah, and you own a Volvo, you might want to fix that. And not let it go so long like I did. Alright, take care. Have a great day. Bye.